I'm Polly Bath, and I specialize in traveling around the country to help schools with difficult problem behavior that interrupts instruction. Today, I'm going to address a question coming out of a high school. The question is, I have high school students who are not ready for high school. They can't organize themselves, budget time, meet deadlines, or solve problems. I thought it would help if I extended some due dates, but now they expect extensions all the time. They act like they are entitled to good grades, and if they don't get them, it's my fault. What should I do? Don't you sometimes feel like you're working harder than them? Yeah, when we start feeling that way, we really should slow down and think, what is it that they don't have? First thoughts about this is transition from middle to high school. Remember that middle school is affective skills, specializing in those types of things to help navigate life. High school is more effective. All right, so you're making a very quick jump between the social emotional wraparound system to a kind of high school model where you should have that all intact, get from one place to another and take it all on. It's the reasons behind ninth grade academy, if you will, is ninth grade is actually the year that kids learn how to be high school kids. So if you're teaching the ninth grade, that's a really important transitional grade level to be teaching. And you've got to teach specifically how to be a high school kid. At the same time, you're getting high school curriculum in. By the time our kids get to kind of mid-10th grade, we tend to see them better at it. But if we don't slow down in the ninth grade and teach them how to be high school kids, all those affective skills that they now should apply that they learned from middle school, then we've kind of jumped the transitional system. So you're right, they are not suddenly ready for high school over the summer. They are still 8th graders coming into high school. If you keep that in your mind and watch their behavior, you will start to upfront every lesson or transition with how to organize, how to budget, how to meet a deadline, and how to solve your problems without assuming they should have that under their belt already. Thanks for watching today. If you have comments about this subject, you can put those down below. And if you have questions that you might like to see answered in a future video, put that down below as well.